What's going on, guys? Welcome to a luxury house tour in Phoenix, Arizona, right by Scottsdale, Arizona, right behind the iconic Camelback mountain, listed at $2,149,000. Let's go ahead and go inside. Here we are today, ladies and gentlemen, and right when you walk in the door, we have just a beautiful entryway here with a nice chandelier, exactly what you would obviously expect in a $2,100,000 home. As you walk right in here to kind of the main area, this honestly just took my breath away when I walked in here. I looked at this and I was like, wow. It is just extremely open, and I don't know exactly how tall these ceilings are, but I would bet to imagine or bet to say that these ceilings have got to be 20 or 25 feet tall, which is just incredible, okay? Right here off to my left, we have a bar, kind of a wet bar area, and this house is actually staged, so there's not a ton of stuff that is currently here, but there definitely could be, so use your imagination as to what you could do here. I'm sure you could just make it absolutely beautiful. All right, right behind me, we have the kitchen, okay? And this is one of those kitchens where you walk into it, okay? For all of you ladies out there, you're just going to love cooking, okay? You're gonna love entertaining, and really just everything about this is just going to make you feel right at home, okay? What is awesome about this is it's totally open concept. So while you're cooking and while you're entertaining, you can also be watching TV, you can be watching the kids play, and really you can be a part of all of the activities as opposed to being tucked away somewhere and not a part of all of the activities that you and your family are enjoying, okay? So right here, we have the very best of the best. Obviously, we have the Wolf grill, okay? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 burner Wolf grill with obviously the dual oven and the massive ventilation system going out, exactly what you'd expect in a $2,100,000 home, okay? And then kind of off over here, we have this just beautiful island. I mean, this thing has gotta be, I don't know, like maybe 6 or 8 feet long, and this is just amazing, okay? What I really love about this is that you can do all of your prepping right here. So we have an actual custom cutting board that slides right into the sink. Now, this is something that you don't see very often, okay? Because I'm able to literally do all of my cutting, and I'm not a chef for anybody watching, so don't judge me here, but we can do all of our cutting, and then we can actually kind of slide everything off into the sink. We have kind of this little platform, and then ultimately we can kind of get that out of the way and get all of our stuff into the garbage disposal and get everything cleaned up. And obviously, if you don't want this here, no problem. We just pick it up and we remove it, okay? So this is really cool because, again, as you're sitting here, as you're meal prepping, you can be a part of everything going on. Now, right here behind me, we have, okay, right next to the refrigerator, what appears to be a pantry, right? And I'm not even gonna lie, I literally thought that this was a pantry, so I wasn't even gonna include it in the house tour. But then I looked at it and I was like, huh, you know, it just makes you wonder, on a house that's $2,150,000, would they just have like a little pantry right here? So I was like, okay, well, let's just see what it is. And then I was like, oh, wait a minute. This is literally a hidden pantry. Okay, now this is a major selling point. I think that's like pretty freaking cool, right? So you let me know what you think. Obviously, we've got an amazing dishwasher, just an amazing kitchen overall. And last but not least, we have a Sub-Zero refrigerator with the freezer drawer underneath, okay? So just a truly incredible kitchen, incredible appliances, and guys, this is really, honestly, an amazing house for the price. So there's not a ton to talk about right over here, but this is kind of a cool little dining area. There's probably a lot you could do with it. If nothing else, it looks really beautiful when all of your guests walk in the front door. And I'm sure on Thanksgiving or whatever, you can definitely have a nice meal here with all of your guests. Okay, so I wanna go ahead and take you on into the master bedroom. Now, the master bedroom is just spectacular. What I love about the master bedroom back here is that it is completely separate from the rest of the house. So we've got the master here. We actually end up having a little bit of another master bedroom on the other side of the house, but let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So again, this is right off the garage, which is really nice because you can come home from work, you can park your Tesla or your Range Rover, your BMW, whatever in the garage, and then you can walk right into the master bedroom. You obviously have a separate hallway, you have double doors, and it's just beautiful in here, okay? It is completely open. Obviously, there's a ton you can do in here. You've got a separate entrance out to the pool, which we'll talk about here in just a minute, but I wanna show you the master bathroom, okay? What they did in the master bathroom, in my opinion, is really, really cool, and I love the finishes that they did in here, okay? So when you walk into the master bathroom, you have this really cool, kind of like rustic looking, but modern looking at the same time, tile that goes around not only the inside of the shower, but all the way into the bathtub, okay? Which in my opinion is like super, super cool. It looks amazing, and it kind of matches and blends with these countertops, okay? So very, very cool. Obviously, you've got dual vanity for all of you ladies out there. You've got your little makeup area. You have your mirror that adjusts up and down, which is, again, things that you would expect to see in a house of this price, okay? Things that you want to see and things that you're happy that are here, okay? You do have your separate kind of bathroom off this direction, which is a must-have, okay? You've got to have the separate bathroom. Now, right in front of me, actually, is the master closet, and I actually really like the master closet, and I'll tell you why. The master closet, when you walk in here, is just big enough, okay? It's just big enough. It isn't too small, it isn't too big. And there's a little bit of separation here in the middle, so you can have the women's side, you can have the men's side, and you've just got plenty of room, okay? I mean, this thing is pretty massive, and it goes this other direction as well. I'll walk by over here and show you. Obviously, with the door shut, this is a pretty dang big closet, and probably all you need in a house like this, okay? So truly amazing. Let's go ahead and go check out the rest of the home. Okay, so here's the laundry room, and the laundry room, again, is right off the master bedroom. We've got the garage right over here, and this is a really big laundry room, right? It's actually kind of perfect because in Arcadia, you know, we're so close to some amazing school districts. We're close to tons of parks. We're close to a ton of things, and this is really a location where kids are out playing, and they're playing with their friends, and they're riding their bikes, and they're hanging out in the front yard. And what we can probably all agree with is when the kids come home, they throw their crap everywhere, okay? So what's cool here is they can come in the garage, they can hang their backpacks up, they can put all their school stuff here, they can put their shoes down here, their work, their homework, the whole 9 yards. If it's raining outside or whatever the case is, they can just dump everything right here, and then they're not tracking all of their stuff throughout the rest of the house. And you also have the washer, the dryer, you've got a sink, you've got pretty much everything you need in the laundry room. So right off the front door, we didn't talk about it a little while ago, but when you walk through the front door and you make a left in here, you actually have a really cool den area, okay? And what I love about this is it's right off the front of the house. You've got incredible views out here of palm trees and just the beautiful weather. Obviously, we're in Arizona. The weather here, well, it's just pretty much beautiful all the time, okay? It does get a little warm, but it's pretty much beautiful all the time. So you could set up your desk in here, and you could have a work from home office. You could have pretty much whatever you want, but it also has a closet, making it a bedroom, okay? Again, this is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home nestled back here in a cul-de-sac. So you don't have a lot of people coming in here that don't need to be here, obviously. This could be a nursery, it could be really whatever, but I see it as an amazing den, okay? Obviously, it is 2021. And everybody knows that at this point in time, people are working from home. You know, there's an unbelievable amount of people right now that are working from home, and I think this is just an incredible area. I could totally see myself working here, getting all of the natural light. I think it's just amazing. Let's go check out the rest of the house. We actually kind of have, in my opinion, a little bit of another master bedroom. Now, obviously, we don't have the huge bathroom in here, but this could work really well as a mother-in-law suite. It isn't staged right now, but it could work phenomenal as a mother-in-law suite if you've got an older teenager, whatever the case is. It's actually pretty freaking big in here, and you do have a separate entrance out to the backyard with a bathroom and a closet as well. Okay, so here we are right by the staircase. Now, this is actually a very unique staircase. If you check this out, and I don't know if you can see closely, but this is made of solid steel. It was obviously welded together, completely custom. You'll see the railing all the way around the top too, which is just amazing. And then you've got almost like these, I guess you could call them tension rods, or you could probably call that real thick wire of some sort, but just a really cool look there. And ultimately, as we kind of go up the stairs on this nice hardwood floor, again, this is a massive staircase, right? So, I mean, here we are. I mean, we're talking a staircase at least 4 foot wide, wrapping all the way up, looking at the views as we go up, looking at the entire open area. This is a really, really cool feeling. And again, you don't see this a lot in this area. So, okay, here we are right at the top of the staircase. The sun is shining in right over there, so I do apologize. But what could be really cool about this room right here is the opportunities are endless, right? Obviously, they have it staged right now as a little sitting area with a little TV. You have a beautiful, beautiful view up here of Camelback Mountain, one that you're not gonna get in every house in Arcadia, okay? You're just simply not gonna get that view right out of the window like that. Another thing you could do up here is you could do some blackout shades, and you could do like a little theater area. You could also do a pool table, you could do a shuffleboard table, and you could make this a game room, and it would be a ton of fun. You could put bean bags up here if you have kids and just have a blast with it. We've got a really cool door out here, okay, right off the little game room area we were just talking about. And this is like, honestly, like one of the coolest things. I love this about the property, okay? Because we've got the metal railing out here. We can come out here, and on a day like today, we can enjoy the beautiful weather looking literally, okay? And I mean literally right at Camelback Mountain, okay? We could do some nice little chairs up here, and we could chill up here. We could drink a cup of coffee. We could drink a nice cocktail and just enjoy this gorgeous house in Arcadia. All right, so we do have another bedroom right off of here. Again, there's nothing in it right now. It isn't staged, but what I want you to know about this room right here is this, ladies and gentlemen, is already pre-wired for a theater room, okay? So I know I was talking out there how you could do kind of a little sitting area, a little chill area, but right here ultimately is the room for a couple of different reasons. Number one, there are no windows in here, okay? So you could literally put a huge couch right here. You could do nice recliners. You could even do them up a little bit on a little bit of a platform with a massive, massive TV right here. And I don't know about you, but you could close those doors. It even sounds soundproofed in here, okay? I'll bet you it is. I'll find out. Drop into the comment section below what you would do with this massive, massive room. Let's go out here. So obviously we had that room over there. We've got another massive bedroom right here. All of the bedrooms are completely oversized in this house, which is just incredible, right? We've got another bedroom over here, okay, with a bathroom, with a closet. I'll show you all of that. And then finally, last but not least, we've got another bedroom back here with a bathroom, with a closet, okay? Again, guys, this is only $2,149,000, okay? So definitely, if you've ever had any interest in living in Scottsdale and living in Phoenix and living in Arcadia, this could be the house for you. Let's go ahead and check out the backyard. Here we are in the backyard, and this backyard is incredibly big, okay? You walk out, there's dual double doors, okay? You've got the double doors here, you've got the room going into the master, and you've got another entrance around on the other side to that one bedroom over there. You've got a massive backyard over here with views of Camelback Mountain, okay? Which again, you just don't get these views every day. I mean, I'm not kidding around when we talk about the view of Camelback. I mean, everybody in Phoenix, everybody in Scottsdale, they either want to be looking at Camelback or they want to be on Camelback looking down, okay? So that is obviously what we have here. We've got just a beautiful kind of, I'm not even sure, I suppose that is a concrete, but it just looks amazing, okay? And then out here, obviously, we've got a big pool, we've got a jacuzzi, we've got a grass area, just a beautiful backyard, looking at the back of the house, looking right at Camelback. Okay, this is just a gorgeous one. This isn't gonna last long. Again, I'm showing it on behalf of marign.mccarthy. Thank you so much for letting me show it. Definitely, I'll put all of her information down below. If you have any interest in the house, reach out to her and let her know that you're interested in her listing. Let her know where you came from. Again, my name is Austin Zabak. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these luxury house tours, okay, right here in Scottsdale, pretty much all over Arizona, and eventually all over the entire world. I really appreciate you for watching the video. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you would just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It would mean the world to me. Drop in the comment section below what you thought of this particular house. Again, I appreciate you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.